the body snatchers used to came. Here we are at the Rising Sun, which is a pub where all the body snatchers used to came. They'd poison a customer's drinks so that the customer would die, and then once they died, they'd take them round the back alley where there would be like a coach waiting to take the dead bodies to the operating theatre?
Operating theatre, wasn't it? Yeah, to the doctors to learn. Because they wanted fresh cadavers, didn't they? Dead bodies.
So it's here on Cloth Street. It's on the corner, it looks very cool. Come with me to see the alleyway. There. So the body snatchers would come here, take the dead corpses, they'd take them out here to where there's a coach. Let's come see if there's ghosts. Let's see if there's any ghosts upstairs. We've been here for a few hours and we still haven't seen a ghost. Like, look, there's no ghosts anywhere. What was that? There's footsteps. Maybe there is a ghost.
Right, so this is one part of the cellar. As you can see, that goes under the alleyway that's out the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, see where it's arched? If you go to the end there, you can see there's like a manhole.
Oh yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there's this one. And you see how far that goes?
Yeah.
Yeah. That goes right out under the alleyway. That's the actual edge of the pub there. That thicker piece, you see?
Yeah.
I'll show you the proper cellar.
All the barrels.
Yeah, yeah. So that's where the beer comes in. That's the hatch. And that goes out onto the street. We've got another cupboard there. So maybe they hid things in there, I don't know. Who knows? You know, who knows? This would have been the cellar they'd have hidden the bodies in. So basically what they do, they'd entice the people in on the promise of a cup of gin and a pie. When they were drunk, they'd bash them over the head, bring the bodies down here and wait till dark, and then they'd take the bodies across to the hospital and sell them.
Wasn't the hospital St. Bart's or something?
That's correct, yeah, which is still there. There's a hospital still there, but that's the newer hospital. It's still on the same site, but they rebuilt it quite recently, the last few years. Enough info for you?
Yep.
Cool, there you go.
Yep, thank you.
You're very welcome, mate, no problem.
Yep.